Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send USDT from Binance to Coinbase. So the very first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and open your Coinbase. And then from here, just go to your crypto and then tap on receive crypto at the bottom. And then from here, you just have to select your USDT. So as you can see, I don't really have that USDT, but if you do, you just have to copy their wallet address. So let's say, for example, you have copied your wallet address. So then go ahead and go open your Binance, and then from here, just tap on your wallet, and then go to withdraw. So from here, you just have to select your USDT, the ERC20, and then just tap on it. And then from here, you just have to tap on, put here the wallet address that we've copied earlier from the Coinbase. So let's say, for example, I have it. So I'll just go ahead and put the wallet address, and then you just have to make sure to select the right network. So the network for the USDT is ERC20. So once you click on that, you will be able to see it if you do have the USDT, and then you just have to type in here the amount that you want to send to Coinbase. And then once you're done with that, you just have to click on withdraw. Then you make sure you have it all in right information and details. Make sure you first check before you send or withdraw. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!